What's going on, y'all? So it's currently 8:50 a.m. It's Wednesday, the 21st of January. Um, Today I'm gonna be taking y'all through the process of how I enter my paper trades on TradingView, as well as what I look for within my strategy and within price, market structure, etc. Um, okay, so now we're gonna get into today's paper trade. Today I'm gonna be trading NAS100, and my goal is to also try to get a trade in on gold as well. Today will actually be my first time trading this strategy with gold, so I'm kind of iffy, but I'm gonna try to pay attention to gold as well. Usually, um, usually I feel like this trade works very well with NAS100 and US 30 pair. But like I said, we're just gonna see. So let me show y'all what's going on. Alright, y'all. So we're on NAS. I had some technical difficulties, y'all. So it kind of threw me way off. So I'm really finna refilm my basically my trade recap. Now we are still live because I'm trying to get some money from NAS today. And I'm gonna go over that here in a little bit. But let's actually start with gold. So gold, I'm actually in a live position with, and I'll tell y'all why. So I came on NAS. I like to start with my 4-hour time frame. I like to first, of course, analyze price and see what direction price is more likely to go. So price was bullish last night. Gold shot, like, just shot all the way up. When Asian session opened, it just went crazy. Hella money in gold, but I say that to say that price did give me an indication for it to continue to go higher. One being trend alignment, and that's also a part of our strategy confirmation. So, after analyzing the trend on a 4-hour, I moved down to the hour time frame and marked my previous day high and my previous day low. After I mark my previous day high and low, I go ahead and mark my Asian session high and my Asian session low. Usually, I do have these labeled. There we go. So what happened was I noticed that there was a fair value gap in this trend line. What price did was it pushed all the way down here. And by the way, y'all, I was on the charts way before 9:30. So before 9:30 hit for real, price was creating this false breakout into this fair value gap. And with these fair value gaps, what I look for is a false break or fair value gap, y'all. With the fair value gaps, they tend to get traded into and then they reject the other way. And that's why I mentioned the trend earlier. If it's aligning with the trend, on top of that, the timing, it's a A+ setup. So what I did was once this candle closed, I entered for buys right here at price. And right now I'm 15 in profit. Price has just been sitting here, but I at least wanted to get at least more than my stop loss target because at this point I've been in this trade for like 30 plus minutes. So price don't look like it's going over. So once it gets a little above my stop loss to where I'll kind of win it, I'ma just exit. We'll just continue to keep our eyes on it. But yeah, that was my confirmation for gold buys. And now we can go to don't look like it's doing what I thought it would. But as mentioned, what do I like to do? Analyze the trend first. When I hopped on here, the trend was in a bearish trend. So of course I thought it was gonna continue to go bearish. So let me go down to my 1-hour time frame. 1 hour, I marked my previous day high here. I don't know why this is not labeled. TradingView deleting some of this stuff for real, but okay, yeah, previous day high, previous day low here. And then I also marked down my Asian session high and my Asian session low here. What I noticed was also a fair value gap here in price. And I thought price was just gonna shoot down, especially because up here was the last area that sellers were aggressively in the market. So if you were in the NAS watching price at this time, you would have seen that price was a little stagnant right here. It was not trying to push up. And usually when it gets close to these areas, it has that type of reaction because that's the last place either buyers or sellers. In this case, sellers were last aggressive at. So I'm thinking price created this false breakout right here in the fair value gap. And that's another confirmation as well. It went the other way, but I was expecting to enter right here and just take a sell off. Maybe here, TP1, but nah, I just kept going up. And then not too long ago, like right at 10 actually, price was it was trying to shoot down under this new high level because price did create a new high. And price was rejecting. I was like, man, if it closed under here, I'll take a sell, but it's not even doing that, y'all. So I'm gonna wait until this not hour. I'm gonna wait until this candle closes right here. This candle closes right here. If this candle is, don't close under the level, if this current candle doesn't close under this new high, I'ma just stay out of NAS. But let's head back over to gold. See what's going on. God, bro. Gold is being bipolar as hell. Like, I don't know. I'm trying to be patient, y'all. Trying to stay in a little longer. I know why I got both of these. Let me switch this to NAS. So yeah, price close. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take a sell. I'm not gonna lie, this could be FOMO coming in, but I'm confident. Take our stop loss right here. And we're gonna see. Let's go back to gold. Gold just need to push up a little bit more, and I'll just take my profit. I'm done looking at gold. False breakout here though. And another thing that kind of sealed off your confirmations with either or false break or fair value gap is big figure level. Price wants to push down so bad. Just do it. Like, he wants to push so bad. Like, come on. Alright, we can watch this go down at 10:30. We gonna watch this go down at 10:30. Patience. Patience. Patience is a virtue. Okay, y'all, so it's 10:33. We're finally seeing some profit, y'all. As mentioned, patience is a virtue, bro. Watching price just, oops, what the hell, y'all? But yeah, I was just watching price try just be stagnant and resist any higher, y'all. So I'm like, bro, it's still a volatile time. So we have space to make money. So, I definitely didn't want to, cancel myself out too soon. So yeah, but we gonna keep pushing for this. Already hit TP1, we're reaching for TP2. And once it reaches TP2, I think I'll be good, honestly, yeah. I just wanna finesse as much as I can from the market. Ooh, come on. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Take profit. TP2 hit. TP2 hit. TP2 hit. We gonna keep pushing though. Man, stop playing. We're watching this play live, y'all. Stop playing. So just to give y'all just so I can let y'all know. Oh my god, I'm getting tired of that. So look, y'all. New high was created. False break created. 10 o'clock came in. I entered my trade. once the 1030 candle started to form, boom, price is selling off as predicted. Just waiting for it to hit TP3, and I'm taking my profit and I'm gone. See, I'm ready to hit confirm. Take my profit and go. Here we go. Just hit it. Just hit it. That's all I need. We done. Bye. Take profit hit. Off the charts. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was finna do it. I was fixing to try to grab some more profit. Because I think it's gonna push at least to an Asian session high. But I'ma leave it. I'ma leave it. That's how you end the day off. That's all we're gonna take for the day. Take that and be grateful. We're gonna note it down in the in trade review in our trading journal and just recap on the day. Recap on what we might have could potentially caught and yeah, y'all. Just want to show y'all how I finish up my journal entries for the day. As of now, as y'all see, I have my gold pair written down here. I have the pair, the trade type, confirmation, profit and loss, win or loss. Did I follow my rules, and any notes that I want to take? I'm gonna go over that in a little bit, but let's finish this 92 in profit and P&L. Do I have any notes? Could have stayed in my position longer, but that's really it. And I did predict that price was gonna push to the Asian session low, which it did. And look at that, it's a false break at the. That could be some money right there too, but let's not speak too soon. I'm done though. And that's all it consists of, y'all. 2 entries. Made that known. Alright, y'all. So it's like 2 days since I filmed that clip. Yeah, after I caught that trade, I caught it today. I didn't like call it today, but reminisced on the trade for a little bit. Then caught it today for real. And when you have trade like that, it's just different because that specific trade I was patient with, and I knew my prediction was correct. I just had to let it fall through. But yeah, just seeing that play out live was just a little different, y'all. So knowing it's not gonna be like that every time, but that's a good feeling, and knowing that I was patient and you know fell through with my system 100% throughout the entire time, and it was caught live. It was just a good feeling. So as y'all seen, I noted it down in my trading journal and just caught it today. Didn't want to be greedy. I didn't get in any more trades. Just like I said, just caught it today. So for the rest of this week, tomorrow's Friday, so it'll be my day off. I'll just be scoping the charts out when market opens. If I do enter a trade, it'll be one because I didn't follow my system 100% through yesterday. Not in a greedy way, but my intentions aren't to put a trade in it all tomorrow. So I've traded 3 days out of the week, and I've had W days. Just not as much profit as I wanted to see or I expected to, but live to trade another day. I'm not gonna force anything for tomorrow, but definitely will be scoping the charts. And of course, after that, we fall into the weekend. So the weekend is just for back testing and just getting prepared for the upcoming week for real. So yeah, throughout the week, next week, I'll be probably filming for shortly, trying to get more content with the charts. But yeah, it's gonna consist of this video, yeah. But yeah,